In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and then from in there you can click on this Get Started option right here in order to get started for an account, or click on this login option right there in order to log into one. So in this case, let me head over and then just proceed to actually log in since I already have an account. So from in there, I have in here my actual WordPress dashboard and I have in here my Elementor. You can head over and click on edit onto your actual dashboard and here is actually my page. Now if I want to actually add in here a code, I can click onto this plus icon and then on the blocks, head over and click onto this search and you can search in here for HTML. You can add custom HTML or you can also add codes depending on what you want. For example, let's add in here first a custom HTML. And then from in there, you can proceed to write your HTML that you would want. Now, if you proceed to add the code, you can click on this and add it right there. And as you can see, it has the same option, which is write code, and this one has write HTML. So just choose if you want to add an HTML code or a code itself. I haven't heard this code, so just head over and then wait for this to load. And then you can also proceed to add this right here if you want to add it. So for example, on this case, just add that HTML. You can add preview of that HTML as well. And you can also add in here some things that you wish to do for this particular code that you have added. So from in there, you can just proceed to just use either code or HTML option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.